2014 Nissan Maxima valve cover gasket replacement, spark plug, and intake manifold removal. So as you see, 5 bolts, 6 bolts in total. It goes right there. 2 of them has got a guide, like it goes not on it, and then all 4. You're going to use 10 millimeter, so I don't want to drop anything inside there. You're going to use 10 millimeter and take that intake off. There is a bracket behind that, and also the high pressure power steering hose attached to that area right there. So you need to take that bolt off with a 12 millimeter. Take the throttle body off with 4 bolts around it, all number 10, and then you're gonna need disconnect all bunch of the sensors, those cam sensors, those 3 ignition coil. Disconnect them, put the wiring harness aside, and 10 millimeter for all around the right here, the gasket, the valve cover. When you take off the valve cover, you're gonna have a gasket set like that. So this special gasket goes inside, right back behind these 2 cam sensors, and the main gasket goes around it. So we already did the bank 1, which is harder against the firewall, and we're gonna do the bank 2, which is the easier one. Basically, again, make sure those valve covers are not wrapped. You can use the piece of glass, which we have it over there, and put it on the glass and see if there is kind of like light goes around it. That's the old-fashioned way. But to stay at the safe side, it's better to replace the whole valve covers along with the gasket. The gasket comes separate. When you get the valve cover, they're not gonna sell you the gasket. You're gonna get the gasket separately. It comes with the extra gasket, goes inside, and make sure you tie them correctly according to the specification with the manufacturer. And then, like I said, we start with the bank 1 against the firewall, which is the hardest one, and then we go to the front one. We're going to take this one off in a minute and replace the gasket, and then we can move forward. Make sure every single hose, mark them, and do not break them. If you break them, you're going to replace them. If the vehicle has got the age and too many miles on it, like over 100 or something, make sure if there is any crack on that one, replace any single hose that has got the crack on it. This one doesn't, but it's kind of a little bit dry out. We might change it, and most likely whenever you want to put it back together, it's going to crack and it's going to break. Use some kind of lubricant, maybe WD-40 or something, to just let it slide back right in. So basically, that was a summary of this job. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, send me any question, or you can give me a call, or just write a comment down below. I can answer every single of them. I try my best to answer every single of them. Thank you, and see you next time.